Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue our journey learning the Python core, and today's lesson we will talk about the dictionaries. We have one practical task. Let's solve this. Write a Python program that to count the frequency of each character in a string and ignore the case of letters. Okay, we given the example Python, and here I will put empty as 3. There's 3 empty characters and 1. Here is the 1 comma. Just counting the all characters in a given string. Let's proceed. Given the function get dictionary with string and return the dictionary, string and integer, count and character. Firstly, we should convert to lowercase all the letters, and then we should create new dictionary, empty dictionary, to store the values. Now we should create a for loop to iterate over the string and check whether our dictionary has these values. Like my dic.get I. We are calling, like, let's assume character O. Let's assume I is O. We are calling my dictionary and asking whether it has a character O. Get O. If no, it has not, just get the 0 and +1, because we have 1 here, and update our dictionary with this value, and we will iterate over all the characters and return my dictionary. Let's assume age, 2 value. Let's assume here is age. I is age. Now I is age. We are here. We are checking age is in the dictionary. No, it's not in the dictionary. So we are getting 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Have 1 here. And the next iteration, we are iterating over the here, like is B, Y, T, H. And now we are here. And again, we are checking if my dictionary has I, character H. Yes, it has. If it has, it will return value from dictionary, not 0. In our case, it's 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. And it will be stored in a dictionary under HK. And iterate over all the strings and return the dictionary. And we can test it here. Call the function and put string and print this out. We get the result. Letter O is 2, H is 2, 1 comma, 3 empty strings, I is 2, T 2, S 1, P 1, Y 1, and 1, only 1.